Sample slow release plan. Outline. Slow and steady. The following release schedule outlines staggering your promotion strategies for a steady roll in sales instead of lumping them all together to get a quick burst of sales, which can be unfavorable. Also, see our lesson titled Sample Promotion Plan in the Promotion module for more on strategizing for promotion and rapid releasing. It sounds like the opposite, but it's not. Rapid releasing is releasing a new book during a short time frame, anywhere from every 2 weeks to 30 days. Amazon's algorithm seems to favor books that have a slow increase and/or consistent increase in sales compared to those books that have a big spike and then fall, like what you might see if you have a BookBub featured deal. Testing. Different strategies work for different books in different genres at different times. We wish we had a single definitive, surefire plan that worked every time. Part of publishing and promoting is testing to see what works for you, your book or series, and your goals. Day 1 of release. Consider putting a backlist book on sale or free the same week as the release, including a link or logline or a sample for the book as the first item in the back matter. Do be mindful of Amazon's terms of service for content percentage allowed if your books are in KDP Select. If you have other books, update the back matter with the link to the new book. If you haven't already, follow up with your ARC readers and remind them to leave their reviews. Provide the sales link and thank them. Claim your ebook in Amazon's Author Central. Day 2 of release. Do some newsletter swaps with other authors that write in your genre. Once the book is live, send a request to Amazon for up to 10 total additional categories via Author Central. You should start to see also bots populating. Add to BookBub in your books section so they announce it. Add to Goodreads plus the cover if not already there. Add the book to your website. Use Amazon affiliate link if you're an associate. Add reviewer posts to book page on Amazon. Share with your loyal newsletter subscribers. Day 3 of release. This is your official launch day. Yes, even though your book was already live. Ask your author friends, Scream team, or your reader team, and anyone else to shout it from the rooftops. Share on social media. Enjoy your accomplishment. Day 4 of release. Consider setting up Amazon ads and/or Facebook ads. Post it in some Facebook author promotion groups in your genre to get shares and tweets. Days 5 to 10 of release. This is when you want to be having your newsletter swaps scheduled, schedule other announcements, and consider sending a second newsletter to people who didn't open the first one. Or send the newsletter again to everyone but include new content like an excerpt, top 10 list about the main character, etc. Always include fresh new content in every newsletter no matter what. Optional items. Use Facebook groups as a networking tool. Become active and comment, like, etc. Be a name people recognize. Go there to help others and for advice. You never know what opportunities might arise. Frequently check groups for promo opportunities. People are always asking for guest bloggers, joint giveaways, etc. Partner up when you can. Join stuff. Start your own. Post pictures of cool stuff related to your book. Host a launch party online or in person. Consider looking up local author fairs or book events and sell paperbacks in person. Tips. Schedule important posts so that people outside your time zone can see your stuff too. Aim for one of these every 3 days. Don't go overboard or anything. One promo post for every 3 to 5 normal posts. You don't want to exhaust or annoy your audience. Along with your current readers, try to find new ones to increase your audience. Congrats! Welcome to the world, book! You clicked publish and now the book is live. You've used the skills you've learned and you might just change lives, including your own.